Your iPad can become a second monitor for your Mac. No extra hardware, no expensive display. It's already built right into macOS. Here's how to set up Sidecar in about 3 minutes.
Sidecar turns your iPad into a second display for your Mac. In Extend mode, each screen shows different apps, so you get more workspace. In Mirror mode, both screens show the same content, perfect for sharing what's on your screen.
Why bother? Sidecar is completely free, and it's built into macOS. No extra monitor needed. It works wirelessly, and Apple Pencil turns your iPad into a drawing tablet for Mac apps. Setup takes about 3 minutes.
First, check your Mac. It needs macOS Catalina 10.12 or later. Supported models include MacBook Air 2018 and newer, MacBook Pro 2016 and newer, Mac Mini 2018 and newer, and iMac 2017 and newer. Apple Silicon and Intel Macs both work.
Check your iPad too. It needs iPadOS 13 or later. All iPad Pro models work, plus iPad 6th generation and newer, iPad Mini 5th generation and newer, and iPad Air 3rd generation and newer. Not sure about your model? Go to Settings, General, About.
Both devices need the same Apple account with two-factor authentication. Handoff must be on, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be on, and the devices should stay within 10 meters, about 30 feet. For a USB connection, your iPad needs to trust your Mac.
Start at Apple's support site. Open support.apple.com, search for Sidecar, and open the official guide. Use an iPad as a second display for a Mac. It lists every requirement we just checked.
Update first. On your Mac, open System Settings, General Software Update, and click Update Now. On the iPad, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and Update to. Both devices should run recent versions of macOS and iPadOS.
Next, sign in with the same Apple account on both devices. The same Apple ID with two-factor authentication turned on. Sidecar simply will not appear without it.
Turn on Handoff. On the Mac, open System Settings, General, AirDrop, and Handoff, and switch on Allow Handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. On the iPad, it is Settings, General, AirPlay, and Handoff, and the Handoff toggle.
Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for both devices. Use the same Wi-Fi network when you can. And remember, the iPad should not share its cellular connection, and the Mac should not share its internet connection.
Now open System Settings on your Mac. Glide down the sidebar to Displays and click it. That is where the magic happens.
Click the Add Display menu and choose your iPad. It usually appears here within seconds. The Mac connects over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Once connected, your iPad shows your Mac desktop as display number 2.
There is an even faster way. Click Control Center in the menu bar, then Screen Mirroring, and choose your iPad. The menu bar icon turns blue while Sidecar is active.
Tune Sidecar to your taste. Use as Extend Display or Mirror Display. Show Sidebar, left or right. Show Touch Bar, top or bottom. And enable Double Tap on Apple Pencil. Click Arrange to set where each display sits.
No Wi-Fi? Use a cable. Plug your iPad into the Mac with the charging cable. Tap Trust when the iPad asks. Now it is connected over USB, and it charges while you work.
Time for the first test. Your iPad now shows the macOS desktop. Grab any window by its title bar and drag it to the edge of the Mac screen. Watch it slide over onto the iPad.
Now try Apple Pencil. Draw or write in any Mac app that supports it. And with Show Touch Bar on, app controls appear on the iPad, even if your Mac has no touch bar.
Switch modes anytime. In Displays, select your iPad and open the Use As menu. Extend Display gives you more space. Mirror Display shows the same screen on both. Pick whichever fits the moment.
When you are done, disconnect in 2 ways.
On the Mac, open Control Center, Screen Mirroring, and click My iPad to deselect it. Or on the iPad, tap Disconnect at the bottom of the Sidecar sidebar.
Your iPad does not show up. Work through this checklist. 1. The same Apple account on both. 2. Handoff on. 3. The same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. 4. Restart both devices. 5. Check the firewall. 6. Try a USB cable and tap Trust.
Black screen or the connection keeps dropping? Toggle mirroring on and off in displays. Arrange to reset the picture. Move closer within 10 meters. Reduce wireless interference. Or just use a USB cable. It is the most stable option.
That is it. Check that both devices are compatible. Connect through System Settings, Displays, Add Display, then drag a window onto your iPad. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next fix.